Okay, so in the last class, I told you of the Japanese chart pattern. In the Japanese chart pattern, in the basic, if we talk about the basic charts, then there are single Japanese chart pattern and double candlestick Japanese chart pattern, in which we saw the bullish engulfing and we saw the bearish engulfing. And third, we saw the triple stick candlestick chart pattern, in which we required three candle. So in which morning star was there, evening star was there, and in morning star also, if it's a doji, we can call it as morning doji star, and likewise evening doji star. Okay, so these are the Japanese candlestick chart pattern. For identify those pattern, you need candles. Without the candle, you cannot identify these Japanese candlestick chart pattern. So in the today class, we are going to discuss the classic chart pattern, and these classic chart pattern, uh, you can draw these pattern on the line chart. You just need a line chart. Okay, like if you see a stock like this, and you can identify these pattern very easily in the line chart itself. Okay, so so any any classic chart patterns are, like, you can classify those chart pattern in these four categories. There are four categories of classic chart pattern. Okay, let me add. First category is the like top reversal. What does it mean by the top reversal? Top reversal, a stock is going up, stock gets some resistance there, and it reverses from here, so it's a top reversal. Okay, you can call it as a bearish reversal also, because stock is going up and then suddenly it's coming down, so it's a bearish reversal. Okay, let me put it a red color. It's a bearish reversal. And the second category is like, there is a top reversal and there is a bottom reversal. In the bottom reversal, what will happen? A stock is going down, suddenly it gets some support, and here it reverses, so it's a bottom reversal. You can call it as a bullish reversal also. Okay, bearish reversal, bullish reversal, and two are the continuation. In the continuation, again, bullish continuation, and there is one more, bearish continuation. Okay, how bullish continuation will look like? Simple. Stock is going up and it is continue is the upside trajectory, say bullish continuation. And how the bearish continuation will look like? A market is like, market or stock is going down, and again it's going down. It's a continuation pattern, like downward trajectory is continuing, so it's a continuation pattern. So these four categories, any classic chart pattern, you can classify any classic chart pattern in these four categories. Either it will be reversal pattern, or either it will be continuation. Either it will be bullish reversal, bearish reversal, bullish continuation, or bearish continuation. So we are going to discuss around 15, around 12 to 15 classic chart pattern. They will be fall in these categories only. Okay, so first and very famous classic chart pattern is the head and shoulder top. Head and shoulder top pattern will be coming in which categories? It's a top, so it's a top reversal. Its category is top reversal, means it reverse, it will get some resistance, market will get some resistance, and it will reverse from that resistance. So it's a top reversal pattern, head and shoulder top. See, now let's leave it here, and let's understand one more topic here. a a uptrend, a market is going up in the upside direction. This is a uptrend, right? This is a uptrend. What is happening in the uptrend? You see the highs. These are the highs of the trend. Market is making new high every day. Market is breaking previous. Market is breaking previous high and making a new high. See this high. Market has break this high and make again new high. I can call it as H1, S2, and S3. And see the lows also. L1, L2, L3. These are the support. These are the lows and these are the highs. Highs are getting higher and higher. Okay, market is making new high every day, and lows are also shifting towards upside direction. Lows are also getting updated. All right, So this pattern, can I call it as a higher highs, higher low? Because highs are getting higher and higher, you can see, and lows are also getting higher and higher. That's why it's a higher high and higher low. This is the uptrend. Any uptrend, you if you want to see uptrend, they will be higher highs and higher low. Means market has to break previous highs and has to make a new high, then only it's a uptrend. Okay, it is not a uptrend. It is not a uptrend. It's like, it's, you can call it as a uptrend. This is a uptrend. This is a real uptrend in which market is making new high every day. This is also uptrend. This high it has make, again it make a new high, again it's a high. So high rise, high low will a uptrend. Now focus on this. Okay, why I'm explaining you. See, in a uptrend, in a uptrend, what you guys will look for, you will look for a breakout or breakdown. There are two elements, either it's a breakout and breakdown. So what is a surprising element? Can anybody tell me? It's a breakout or breakdown?
Breakout.
Yeah,
Breakdown.
yeah, somebody is saying breakout, somebody is breakdown. Now understand, breakout is already there. That's why it's a, that's why it's a high line, high low. Here also a breakout na, it's a breakout area na. That's why this H1 upgraded to H2. Market came down and again it break this H1. Focus, market has break this H1. That's why this is a breakout. Breakout is already there. These all are the breakout. That's why this is a uptrend. A high high, high low already gone through the breakout. That's why it is making a new high. So surprising element is breakdown. See, you have started long from here at this point, okay, and you are continue holding your position because market has never break down. Market has never break down. But if this uptrend, if this uptrend that is starting from here, okay, if this uptrend shows you breakdown, will you not exit your position? So surprising element is breakdown. See, what if I join, what if I join these lows, what if I join these lows and make a trend line like this will be my trend line. Until and unless this market is taking support from this trend line, I will be stay long in this position because this is a high line, high low. Suppose market is coming down at this point, let me remove, okay. Now see what happened when market is coming down, 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 and it break here. It shows a breakdown. So at this point, will you not, will you not at least book your profit at this point? This is your profit
Yes.
booking. So that's why this breakdown is very important. In a uptrend, whenever you are seeing a higher high, higher lower uptrend, you will look for the breakdown, not the breakout. You will look for the breakdown in a uptrend. Then only you can exit your position. You can save your profit, right? Or at least, or also, I would suggest to go short at this point. Take a short position if you are a trader, because this is a breakdown of this uptrend. Uptrend started from here, and here at this, till there your trend line is intact. Till there your trend line is intact, but at this point you see a red candle, and a 50% of this red candle area is below this trend line. So this is a breakdown. So just I want to tell you, in a uptrend you will look for the breakdown. Got it? This will be a breakdown. Now after this breakdown, after this breakdown, what will be the nearest support of this stock? What will be the nearest support? This will be the nearest
Previous
support.
swing low.
Yeah, yeah,
Previous swing low.
yeah, exactly. This will be the nearest support, because it can happen that this stock can get support at this point. Okay, and what if it takes support at this point, now it is going up. What will be the nearest resistance for this stock? This will be the nearest resistance, because this is the high. All highs are the resistance and all lows are the support. Okay, these lows are the candle lows or swing low. These highs are the candles high. I told you in the last class on the Japanese candles, these are the highs of the candle. Okay, so nearest resistance will be this one na? Okay, so at this point this takes support, and again this is coming down. Okay, Again this is coming down, and again that was the previous support. If it break this support, if it break this support, can you see, can you observe the head and shoulder pattern has created here?
Yes.
This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your right shoulder. At this point, this is your neckline. This is your neckline. At this point, everyone will go short because this is a head and shoulder pattern. So this is the formation of the head and shoulder pattern. Everyone will short at this point, and if you observe head and shoulder pattern in the market, so what will be your target? Let me tell you about the target. This height of the head, if you exactly plot this height in the lower side, so that will be your target. And somehow we cannot say that everything is 100% accurate, so we have to put stop loss also. If you go short at this position, okay, so you have to put your stop loss at here in this area. You have to put your stop loss SL here above this neckline. Okay, so let me clear it here, simple, in the simple language. This is the formation of uh, head and shoulder top. Okay, this is the formation. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your right shoulder. So this is your head and shoulder top pattern. Market is going up, and at the top you observe this pattern. Okay, I'll show you on the chart how you can observe this pattern. Just like, let's understand the formation. Let's And this is your neckline. So you draw the neckline, this call as the neckline, and at this point you have to find out the breakdown candle. Do you know how to see the breakdown candle, or I need to tell? And here at this point you see the breakdown candle. So at this point, at least book your profit, or if you are a trader, go short. If you observe the head and shoulder pattern formation, and this length will be your target exactly in the opposite direction. Okay, is it clear? Head and shoulder formation.
Yes.
Okay, now let's understand the trend line, how you will join the, how you will make the trend line. Okay, because trend line is very important. So see, if if you want to make a, if your stock is in the up higher highs and higher low, okay, these are the higher highs and higher low. So can you tell me why make trend line is a straight line? Okay, market movement is a zigzag. Market will move like this in the zigzag pattern only, and your trend line will always be straight. So if you want to make a trend line, like you want to know that this uptrend will intact at which point, so this is a uptrend. Okay, will you join the highs or the lows? These are the highs.
Both.
Okay, somebody is saying both and somebody is saying low. So okay, let me join first highs. Okay, this is your trend line, let's say. Can you tell me what those who said highs of both, what you will get from this trend line?
Resistance.
What you will get? But
Resistance.
resistance. But market is already breaking the previous resistance, na? Already this is breaking. This resistance is already breaking. That's why this is a high rise and high low. So this is not a surprising element, that it is breaking the previous resistance. That's why it is making a new high. So what is the need to join these highs? There is no use of joining the highs, right? So the surprising element is the breakdown, and the you have to join the lows. Okay, you have to join the lows in a uptrend, not the highs. See, if if uh, if a pattern is like this, okay, these are the lows, and by joining the lows you make this trend line. This is your trend line. So this trend line is giving some observation to here, that this uptrend will continue until this is taking a support from this trend line. So this in this uptrend you can be there till your trend line is intact. So so just remember, if in uptrend or higher highs higher low, join the lows and make a trend line. Join the lows. At least you have to join two. You just need two touch point. Okay, You need two touch point. You join these two lows and extend your trend line in this direction. Okay, at least two touch point you are required. And if and your candle should not be below the trend line. Okay, okay, you join these two lows, but you see that there is a candle at this point, and there is a candle here, there is a candle here. So this is the violation. Okay, so don't do violation. So if a candle is like this now, your trend line will be like this. This low and this low, your trend line will be like this. This will be your trend line. Generally, the angle of the trend line should be 45. Ideal angle should be 45. Try to maintain this 45-degree angle and try to do least violation except COVID recovery. Like if you see the 2020 crash na, there is a V-shaped recovery in the market. So you can, like, these violation are like, you can do these violations because these are the V-shaped recovery in the market. Okay, so these violations are like generally you can do because this is a V-shaped recovery. We generally do not see the V-shaped recovery in the market. Okay, so on the trend line, uh, just remember, if you want to draw a uptrend का trend line, so join the lows. You have to join the lows, means candle का lows, जो भी candle का lows है, just join. And uh, minimum two touch point should be there. Minimum two touch point. Okay, just join two touch point. This is your trend line, and extend this trend line in this direction, in the right or left direction, and do minimum violation. Like your candle का low, कोई भी कैंडल का लो इस ट्रेंड लाइन के नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay, otherwise it will be a violating trend line. Okay, it should not be like this. All the candles should be like this, upside direction, all the candles, then it's a perfect trend line. I hope the concept of trend line is clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now,
दो
yeah,
एक्सेप्टेबल है क्या अगर कैंडल नीचे आ रहा है ट्रेंड
no,
लाइन के
it is not acceptable if your candle is like this na, so this is not a perfect trend line.
ओके
Yeah. Now I want to tell you that on which candle you will see the breakdown. Suppose you make this trend line, uptrend ka trend line. Okay, this is your trend line, uptrend ka trend line, and market is continuously going up and up. Market is coming to the breakdown point, and which candle will be the breakdown candle? So do not this will this you see this candle, green candle. Okay, open and close. So this is not your breakdown. Okay, this is also not a breakdown. You see this red candle, open here, close here. Don't consider this as a breakdown. Market has still not breakdown. The perfect breakdown candle will be like this. This is your breakdown candle. Anybody get any observation here? Why this 1, 2 and 3, out of these three, only this is, only at this candle you are going to, like, you can take a short position. Okay, this is not a breakdown candle, this is also not a breakdown candle, this is your perfect breakdown candle. So you can write your breakdown candle color should be red, number one. It cannot, a green candle cannot show you breakdown. Number two, if it is a red candle, majority of the candle should below the trend line. Majority of candle area means at least 50% area. This, you see this area, this is very less area. Majority of the area is above the trend line, and see this area, majority of area, candle area is below the trend line. That's why this is a breakdown candle. Get it? Right? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, okay, great. So now we saw the head and shoulder top, right? And this is all about the uptrend, and in downtrend everything will get reversed. Like if it is a head and shoulder down na, in the downtrend, what you will see in the, this is your downtrend. Okay, this is your downtrend. In downtrend, what you are seeing, the higher, this highs or this resistance, you can call it as a resistance and you can call it as a support. Market is breaking every time its support. Market has break this support, again get support here. Again market has break this support, again coming. So this is your downtrend. In downtrend, what is happening? Your highs are getting lower and lower, and your lows, these are the lows are also getting lower and lower. So you are getting a lower low, lower high. Okay, this is your downtrend. Or your uptrend is what? Your higher highs, higher low. This is your uptrend. And apart from these, everything is no trend. Either there is a uptrend, either there is a downtrend, or third trend is no trend or sideways, you can call it as. Higher highs, higher low is your uptrend. Lower low, lower high is your your downtrend. Apart from these, higher low equal highs, lower high, higher low. There are total 16 patterns you can form from these, like permutation and combination. Everything will be sideways. So in downtrend, what you will join? Can anybody tell me? If you want to make a trend line, you will join the highs or lows. This is your
Highs.
this is
Highs.
highs.
High.
This is your downtrend. What you will look for here? Breakout or breakdown? Market is continuously going down and down and down. What you will look for?
Breakout.
Yeah,
Breakout.
definitely. You will look for the breakout, and to look for the breakout, you have to join the highs. See, this is your trend line. This is your trend line, okay? And you join the highs, and what you see when you join the high, market is like coming here, and here you see the breakout candle, and your breakout candle will look like this. It will be green candle, right? It will be green Marubozu type candle, which has the majority of the area is above the trend line. This is your trend line. So this is your breakout. You can say that this downtrend has over, and you can see a new uptrend, because this trend line, continuous, currently the situation is like this in the market. Market is going down and down. If you see a green candle and you join the trend line lows, if it market breakout here, so at this point you can buy the stock. You can at least do average in your holding, or at least you can long your position at this point if you see a proper breakout candle in the downtrend ka trend line. Okay, so see, if there is if a inverse head and shoulder pattern will look like this. This is your trend line. If I will draw inverse head and shoulder pattern, what it will look like this, right? This is your inverse head and shoulder pattern, like this is your head, this is your right shoulder, and this is your left shoulder. Let me draw here. Okay, let me draw here. Inverse head and shoulder will be like this. If you saw this inverse head and shoulder, it will be the bottom reversal, right? I told you na, this is your bottom reversal. Market has reversed from here at this point. This is your bottom reversal. Market is continuously coming down and down and down, and it formed this pattern. This is your neckline. This is your neckline. If you observe this head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder bottom pattern in the bottom, you can go long. This meeting will end in I think 5 minutes. I will request you everyone, please join the same link back, and so we'll finish this class. Okay, so please join the same link. We will be meeting here. Okay, so this is your inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is your left shoulder. This is your head. This is your right shoulder. Okay, and this is your neckline. And at this point, what you will do? You will buy or go long. At this point, you will go long. What target you will keep here if you are buying? So this length, exactly this length, put it on the upper side. Just measure this length, put it on the upper side. At this point, at least market can go up. So this will be your target, or put SL in this area. Okay, I hope these two patterns are very important, very famous pattern in the market. I hope these patterns are clear. In the last class, sorry, in the end, I'll show you these patterns at the exactly at 26,000 na. If you see if you will observe in Nifty na, exactly at 26, when market form a top, it shows a head and shoulder top formation. Exactly at the top. Anybody observe that pattern, head and shoulder top in the market? It formed that pattern in the top. Okay, now these two classic chart pattern are clear. Head and shoulder top and head and shoulder bottom, or you can say that inverse head and shoulder. And apart from that, like, let's discuss one by one. Now third pattern is your double top. What will happen in the double top? Market is going up and market is forming double top. Markets get resistance here, R2, and it form a double top pattern, and this will end when this. So here you see the breakdown, market is coming down. At this point you can go short or sell. So this is your double top formation. What double bottom will look like? This market is going down, again it takes support at this point, again is going up, again it takes support at the same level, S1 and S2. This is your double bottom formation. Okay, this is your double bottom formation. This point at this area, if it break this area na, at this point you can go long. Okay, at this point you can go long. This is your double top, because two tops are there. This is your double bottom, 1 and 2. This will look like W and this will look like M. Okay, now this is your rounded top. Let me draw it again. Number 4, this is your rounded top. I already told you, in the top means it will reverse from the top. It will get some resistance. It is going here up and up, and it is like this. It make a rounding top. That's why it's a rounding top. Market is going up and up and up, and at this point you see a rounded top formation. If so the breakdown at this point na, it is a rounded top, and likewise there is a rounded bottom. What will happen in the rounded bottom? It is going down and down, and suddenly it's coming as out. So this is your breakout area. This is your breakout area. This is your rounded bottom. Okay, this 6th one is your flag and pole pattern. Flag and pole. This is a very powerful pattern. Flag and pole. Flag and pole pattern. What will happen? Market is going up and up. At this point it is range bound. It is exactly forming a rectangular range bound movement. You observe the range bound movement here, and suddenly at this area, after like many candles, at this area you see a breakout, and again it is going up. So this is your flag, and it look like flag and pole. So in the flag and pole, it is generally जहां से आपका फ्लैग स्टार्ट हुआ है ना, ये जो लेंथ है ना, इसके बराबर ही मार्केट अपसाइड में जाएगा. This flag and pole pattern say that this length is equal to this length. So you can measure this length and you can plot the same length upside direction. This is your target. Okay, Nifty formed this flag and pattern at 18,000. So the length will be around 26,000. I measured the length. The next resistance was around 26,000. So market exactly fall from this 26,000 only. I'll show you that also, flag and pole pattern. And in the flag and pole pattern, it can be reverse also like this. Okay, so this is like this. Market is got a range bound. You plot this range bound movement of the market, and it show a breakdown. At this point show a breakdown. So this is your flag and pole reverse. And there is a pennant pattern. Pennant में क्या होगा? ये rectangular की जगह triangle होगा. Like this is a rectangular ना. This shape is rectangular. So in pennant pattern, what will be there? In pennant, your market is going up, and here it form a triangle pattern like this. Okay, you see a pattern like this, and if it is breaking out at this point, market will go up the upside direction. And a reverse will be like this. Market is going down, and here is form a triangle pattern, and it is coming down. Okay, so this is your pennant pattern, like if it is a triangular. Okay, now are you guys with me, right? Are you noting all these patterns? These patterns are very important. Okay, so these are the famous patterns, and you must have heard about the cup and handle pattern also. Cup and handle.
Yes.
It's look like this. Market at the top you see market is going up and up. It takes support here.